Hi friends, how are you today? I'm Marta and I'm a cook, and today we're gonna prepare a very funny recipe. Are you ready? We're gonna prepare Easter eggs. Okay, do you know the ingredients? Let's see. "180 grams of small cakes. They're called SOBAOS in Spanish. 75 grams of fresh cheese. 25 grams of icing sugar. 200 grams of white chocolate. And finally, different colors of food coloring. And that's all. We're going to start. Okay, the first step, we're gonna crush the small cakes inside the electric mixer until there are small crumbs left. Okay? So one by one, we're gonna put them inside the electric mixer. Remember, 180 grams. Okay, we're going to close and we're going to start. Okay, when we've finished, we're gonna put the small crumbs into a big bowl. Be careful with this. Okay, that's ready. Okay, now we're gonna pour the fresh cheese and the sugar into the same bowl, and we're gonna mix the three ingredients with the help of a wooden spoon. Okay? So, okay, when the three ingredients are integrated, now we have to crush the dough with a spoon to compact. When we have it ready, we're gonna take 2 spoons, and with these 2 spoons, we're gonna make bowls. We're gonna make bowls shaped like eggs. Okay, like this. We're gonna make more than one. Okay guys, when we have all the eggs, we're going to put them in the freezer for 30 minutes. Okay, now while the eggs are in the freezer, we're going to take the white chocolate and we're going to melt it in the microwave. Let's put 4 minutes. Okay, when it's finished, we're going to divide the melted chocolate in 4 different containers. Okay, I'm going to use 3 in this case because I have 3 different food coloring. Okay, so we're going to divide it 1, 2, and 3. It smells really nice. And I'm going to use blue, red, and yellow food coloring. We're gonna add a little bit here. Okay, the red here. There's not too much. Okay, ready? And finally, the yellow. Good. Now we're gonna mix with a spoon. Wow, can you see? It's becoming blue chocolate. Okay, now we are gonna mix the red. Wow, it's becoming red. And you can do the same with the yellow or other colors if you have. Okay, when we finish mixing the food coloring, we're gonna take the eggs from the freezer. Okay, let's go. Here we have. Okay, now we're gonna take these eggs and we're going to prick them with barbecue sticks. Yes, there we go. We take 1. Can you see? 2, 3, 4, and in this case we have only 5. All right, finally we're gonna pour the different colorful chocolates on the eggs. Are you ready? Wow, this is gonna be... Okay, let's put a container under. And with the help of a spoon, we're gonna spray. Ooh, can you see? Wow. This is gonna be a red egg. we can turn it. And yummy, yummy. Now we can take another one. For example, the blue color. Excellent. Okay, here we have, for example, the blue egg. We can finish with a spoon. Be careful. Okay, finally, we can also add chocolate chips or colorful chips or whatever you have at home to decorate your eggs, okay? And then we're gonna cool the eggs. We're gonna cool them and you can enjoy them. They're gonna be so yummy. Okay guys, so that's all. Hope you enjoy and let's see if it's so yummy. It looks really yummy. Let's see. Hope you enjoy.